So data informs all of the decisions that we make, and as I mentioned, it's been quite the journey even over the last 6 years. We have 28 different brands, so that puts us in a unique disposition of whenever we onboard technology or when we think about data, we really have to think about it in kind of a templated approach. One size fits all initially is what we used to think. But as we've grown in our data journey and we have more data available to us now than ever before, we have really learned that each brand functions very differently when it comes to data. For example, our frequency for our dessert brands is obviously a lot less than our breakfast or lunchtime brands, so that has really shifted how we think about data. And there was a recent NRN study, I don't know if any of you saw it, but it was on the data-driven restaurant, and over 50% of restaurant operators said they were really confident in the data utilization within their organization, but there's still 46% that weren't as confident as to how they use and optimize data. And I just thought that was really interesting. Like, we have grown so much at Kahala in our data journey, and I think as an industry we've grown a lot, but we still have a ways to go.
Mm-hmm. That's a great snapshot of where so many restaurants are at right now.
Yeah.
That's I love that. Robyn, the same question, an overview of the importance of data and analytics, but from your brand's point of view. And one thing I love is these two brands are very different and complement one another in some nice ways.
Absolutely. I was thinking about what I was going to speak today, and a lot of it is so different than a franchisee or different brands and all of that. So I do love the fact that we just have the same store, in one place, but it does create our own kind of nuances and things like that. And our number one goal is to always ensure that the customer has a great dining experience and that our employees feel empowered with doing the best job that they can with the tools that they have. And so, with this, we always want to make sure that what we have is working for what we need. In kind of a little bit different shift, I feel as if, restaurant industry runs on intuition. It's, what feels good, what do you think your customers want, what do you want to put on the menu? And with all of this information that we have, I feel like we're at a really great place as an industry that we can start really driving all of that information into one place. We recently had a menu rollout that we dropped a menu item off that was pretty popular. Our menu's going in a new direction. We have seasonal menus and things like that. And we decided to take a menu item off, and we ran a pilot. And since we onboarded this new business analyst, we were able to truly define that, with new tools that we have created, that when we rolled out this new menu with this extremely popular menu item, menu in that sales grouping declined rapidly. So we could go back to the R&D team very quickly and say, wait, we're in this pilot, let's get us back there. So data drives everything. It can back up any intuition that you have. It can drive creativity, make you answer a lot of questions, and really kind of evaluate what you're putting on the plate and what you're doing in your restaurant.